Morning, girls. We'll continue with English text. Lesson 10, The Rescue. Page 93. Yesterday we did till here, that is the baby elephant running round and round as if he is making the people run behind him. That was Nalia and other two people came out from their room, their hut, and they are running behind the baby elephant. Nalia was running very fast, but he lost his balance and fell flat on his face. So he thought I would catch the baby elephant, but he fell. He lost his balance and he fell. Nalia quickly came up with an idea. They would rush the baby from all sides, cutting off all his escape routes. So Nalia got an idea that he told the other people too with him that we will stand on all the other sides and stop his escape. We'll not let him pass. Stand at different distances and don't let the baby elephant pass. Under Nalia's instruction, the men separated and jumped at the animal from different direction. So they were standing at different position, far off, and trying to jump at the elephant. But the result was not what they had hoped for. The four of them banged into each other while the baby elephant slipped through a gap and rushed blindly straight at Nalia's hut. When all the others, they made a plan that we will stand in all direction and running towards the baby elephant. But baby elephant was so swift, he rushed past through them. He banged into each other. All those people were coming close together from all four directions, and they tried to catch the baby in the center, but all the four of them banged into each other and the baby elephant escaped from the gap, and he rushed blindly straight at Nalia's hut, and with force he escaped and rushed into Nalia's hut. The walls of the hut were weak as they were made of bamboo. The elephant calf did not know its own strength. It went through the walls as if they were made of paper. And baby elephant with force, it went into Nalia's hut. The bamboo hut, it broke, and the walls of the bamboo hut broke into pieces as if it was made of paper. It broke like as if that hut was made of paper. Nalia looked up at the heavens, tore at his hair, and emitted a terrible wail. Nalia looked at his hut, that it is all broken. He looked up at heaven, and he caught his hair and pulled his hair, and he was shouting. He was getting very angry that what has happened to this. He's screaming and shouting. With a fearful howl, he rushed at the baby with a murder in his eyes, his hands carved like claws, as if to throttle the calf alive. Now, since he was very angry, shouting, howling, he rushed at the baby as if he is going to murder. There was so much anger in his eyes, he is going to throttle, he is going to kill the animal. And his hands looked like claws, as if to throttle the calf alive. He would catch his throat and kill the animal. The fleeing baby brought down more walls of the hut. Nalia is so angry, with anger in his eyes and wanting to kill the baby elephant, and the baby elephant is still running about, and he brought more walls, the walls of that hut down. He broke the hut worse, more than that he broke his hut.